How's it going, very important people? With the holidays coming up, it can be easy to overspend on gifts for the people closest to us. So today, I'm going to show you how to easily create a holiday budget in Microsoft Excel. If you're not used to using Excel on a daily basis, don't worry. We'll be working from a free online template, so you don't have to mess with equations or formulas. All you need to do is figure out who you're buying for and how much you plan to spend. First things first, we'll need to download the template from Microsoft. I've linked to the exact template that I'm using in the description, or you can go to templates.office.com and search Holiday Budget. I'll be using this one right here. Once you've downloaded and opened it, you'll need to click the Enable Editing button in the top of the screen. Now, say the terms family and friends are too vague for you and you would like to budget differently for each person on your list. You can double-click into any of the cells that you would like to change and add the names of whomever it is that you're buying for. To add more names, instructions are given on the template itself. Just tab from the last column of the row to add a new line. Or you can add more names anywhere in the section by selecting the row below where you want your new line. Right-click and select Insert and then Table Rows above. This will ensure that you're adding the correct formatting to the budget without having to mess with any formulas yourself. As you add how much you intend to spend on each person on your list, it will automatically update the total budget in the upper right hand of the page. This free template includes expenses that are sometimes overlooked, like wrapping paper, party supplies, etc. But if there's anything that you don't need, I recommend just leaving it zeroed out, as deleting a section will throw off the formatting of the template. Now just put in your budgeted amount and don't forget to update the actual amount spent as you make your purchases. And that's it. This same template is pretty versatile and it can be easily modified for other budgets. Just double-click to change the text to match whatever it is you're budgeting for. For more templates like this, check out templates.office.com. And if you are interested in Microsoft Office 365 for your business, we are a certified Microsoft Silver partner. You can give us a call at 918-279-7000 or check us out at viptsg.com. I hope you found this video helpful. For more videos like this, follow us on Facebook or subscribe to our YouTube channel, VIP Technology Solutions Group. Thanks for watching and happy holidays.